Welcome students, myself Sonali Pawar. This is my third video lecture. See here, in last lecture we study about assignment problem, definitions, Hungarian method as well as 3 examples. Now we will study about special case of assignment problem. So what are the special cases of assignment problem? So mainly 3 special cases. First is unbalanced assignment problem. Second, restricted assignment problem, and third one, maximization case. So in this video we will study about only 2 methods, only 2 cases, which are unbalanced assignment problem and restricted assignment problem. And the next video we will study the last method, maximization case. So now student, listen carefully and see what are the special cases and which are the methods to solve these problems. So unbalanced assignment problem. In previous lectures we study about balanced assignment problem, and here we will study about unbalanced assignment problem. So what are the difference between balanced and unbalanced assignment problem? In balanced assignment problem, the number of rows and number of columns are same, and unbalanced assignment problem, number of rows and number of columns are different. So see here, unbalanced assignment problem as well as restricted assignment problem, both we are study from only this example. So see here, in unbalanced assignment problem, the main role is dummy row or dummy column. So what is dummy row or what is dummy column? Dummy row and dummy column means adjustment. So with all entries 0. Dummy row like this and dummy column like this. In dummy row and dummy column, all the entries same with 0. And restricted assignment problem means what? Given assignment problem, if any place is missing or not given or empty, so we say this problem is of restricted assignment problem. So what you have to do? In restricted assignment problem, dash means what? Missing value. Missing value is replaced by highest cost. What is highest cost? Highest cost is infinity. In this infinity, if we add any value or subtract any value, we don't have a problem. That's why dash is replaced by highest cost infinity. So now students, in this problem we have to use a dummy row, dummy column and infinity. So see here, problem number 4 from exercise 7.1 of the type special case, unbalanced assignment problem and restricted assignment problem. So see here, how many rows? First, second, third, fourth. There are only 4 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 columns. So this matrix of order 4 by 5. See here, firstly we write row. Secondly we write column. Okay. So in this given matrix there are 4 rows and there are 5 columns. That means here number of rows and number of columns are not equal. Means what? This assignment problem is unbalanced. Okay. And see here, observe this assignment problem. In this assignment problem, there is vacant place in second row as well as in third row. These 2 vacant places we have to interchange, we have to replace by cost infinity. Means what? We have to write only here infinity. Infinity is the highest cost. First is order of given assignment matrix. So what is order? 4 by 5. we have to write here, this is unbalanced assignment matrix. Unbalanced assignment matrix. So students, we know always in assignment problem we have to take balanced assignment problem. So for balance assignment problem we have to take a dummy row or dummy column. So now in this matrix there are 4 rows and 5 columns. So what is less? Less is row. So we take dummy row with entries 0. So we get a reduced matrix M1, M2, M3, M4 and this dummy row is M5. The locations are A, B, C, D, E. All the cost in 100 rupees given. So write down here 9, 11, whatever will be 15, 10, 11, 12, 9, infinity, 10, 9, infinity, 11, 14, 11, 7, 14, 8, 12, 7, 8 and our adjustment dummy row is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now we have to solve by using Hungarian method, which is select the smallest element from each row. What? Select the smallest element from each row and subtract it from every element of that row. So now we get next reduced matrix. So it will be, see here, which is the smallest element in first row, which is 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 11 minus 9, 2. 15 minus 9, 6. 10 minus 9, 1. 11 minus 9, 2. In the second row, infinity is the largest number. So which is the least number? Least number is again 9. So 12 minus 9, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. Infinity minus 9 or infinity minus any number, we get again infinity. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. In the third row, infinity is the largest number. 11, 14, 11, 7. So which is the least? Least is 7. So we get infinity as it is. 11 minus 7, 4. 14 minus 7, 7. 11 minus 7, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. Next smallest element is the 7. So 14 minus 7 is the 7. 8 minus 7, 1. 12 minus 7, 5. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. And the last is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now step number third. This is step first. This is step second. This is step third. So see here what we get. Now the next third step is column step. So see here A, B, C, D, E. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. So now students, what you have to do? Column step. So what column step is? We have to select the smallest element from each column. So see, observe here, first in first column 0 is available, in second column again 0 is available, third again 0 is available, fourth again 0 is available, and the fifth again 0 is available. So in 5 columns 0 is available. So we don't write here directly step number 4. So what is step number 4? Step number 4 is you have to draw number of lines, horizontal lines which covers 0. So see here 0, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3 0 infinity 1 0 infinity 4 7 4 0 7 1 5 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. So see here you have to draw horizontal or vertical line as your wish. My wish is horizontal line. So 1 2 3 4 5. You can draw vertical lines 1 2 3 4 5. So you will be get 5 lines. So now here number of lines equals to order of matrix. So what is our order? Order is 5 by 5 and number of lines with 5. So 5 is equals to 5. We can go next. Students, we have to give assignments. So from last step we will write here all the values 0 2 6 1 2 3 0 infinity 1 0 infinity 4 7 4 0 7 1 5 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. So now we have to give assignment for first row. So in first row there is only one 0. So give here assignment and observe corresponding row, corresponding column. If there is extra 0 then we have to cross off. So here in column extra 0, cross off this. In second row again there are 2 zeros. So you have to determine where we have to give assignment. So I give here assignment. So corresponding row extra 0 is available as well as corresponding column also extra 0 available. So cross off these 2 zeros. Next in third row only 1 0 available. So give the assignment. In fourth row again only 1 0 assignment. So give the assignments and cross off the corresponding extra zeros. So now we get assignment schedule. So how to write assignment schedule? In from original matrix write down machines, locations. Machines are first machine, second machine, third machine, fourth machine and fifth machine with locations A, B, E, D, C because machine M1 belongs to A location, M2 belongs to B location, M3 belongs to E location, M4 belongs to D location and M5 belongs to C locations. So all the original values you have to write 99770. So we have to add 9 plus 9 18 plus 14 32. So cost is in 100 rupees. Therefore here we write 3200. So our optimal minimizing cost is 3200. Now students, we have to solve the next questions like this. Yeah. Question number 5. Students, this is another example of restricted assignment problem and unbalanced assignment problem for you. Determine the optimum assignment schedule using matrix below. Carefully read it. Optimum assignment schedule, not cost, not value. So we have to don't write here cost, value, or we have to don't need to add all the values. So see here matrix already given. So what is first condition? You have to check is this matrix is balanced. So check first row, second row, third row. So there is only 3 rows and first row, second row, third row, fourth row. How many columns? 4 columns. So order of this assignment matrix is 3 by 4. So it is unbalanced. So now for balance we have to add what? Dummy row with all entries 0. Okay. So now we get a reduced matrix. So reduced matrix will be like this. This is places A, B, C, D. Machine M1, machine M2, machine M3, machine M4. And the value will become same. 13, 10, 12, 11, 15, this dash, 13, 20. 5, 7, 10, 6 and the last our dummy row means our adjustment is 0. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Now we get order become 4 by 4 means what? 4. It is balance, and one of them adjustment which is dash is replaced by infinity. So dash replaced by infinity. We get this reduced matrix. Now we have to solve by Hungarian method. So see, the next step is select the smallest element from each row and subtract it from every element of that row. So which is the smallest element in first row? First row is smallest element is 10. So 13 minus 10 is 3. 10 minus 10 is 0. 12 minus 10 is 2. 11 minus 10 is 1. Infinity is the largest number. Which is the smallest number then? 13. So 15 minus 13 is 2. Infinity as it is. 13 minus 13 0. 20 minus 13 7. Next smallest element is the 5. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 5 2. 10 minus 5 5. 6 minus 5 1. And then again here 0 0 0 0. This is our next step. Now this step we called row reducing method. Now next step is column reducing. So for column reducing we have to write again all these things, m1, m2, m3, m4. So in first column 0 is available, second column is 0 available, third also, and 4. So this matrix is as it is 3 2 0 0 0 infinity 2 0 2 0 5 0 1 7 1 0. Steps are compulsory for this matrix. So now we draw number of lines, minimum lines which cover 0. So see here, this is first row, first line, second line, third line, fourth line. So how many lines we get? How many lines we get? 4 lines. So 4 lines equals to order. So order and lines are same. Orders equals to lines. Now we have to give assignments. So places are A, B, C, D. Machines are M1, M2, M3, and our adjustment fourth row M4. So now write down here 3 0 2 1 2 infinity 0 7 0 2 5 1 0 0 0 0. Observe first row. Here 0 is available. So give the assignment. Check corresponding row having extra 0. No. Column having extra 0. Yes. Which is this? So cross off this 0. Second row again 0 is available. Give the assignment and cross off extra 0. Third row give the assignment, cross off extra 0. And the last row give the assignment, none other 0. So now we can proceed next step. So next step is assignment schedule. And here in this question we have to find out assignment schedule. It is our aim. So now here write down machine places and unit here not given. So machines are M1, M2, M3, M4. M1 is belongs to machine M1 belongs to which place? B place. M1 places B. And original value of machine M1 B places in given question is 10. M2 is C machine. M2 is C machine, C place, and C is entry is 13. M3 is assigned to A place. So M3's A place value is 5. And the remaining is what? D. So last is 0. Value is 0. So now we have to add 13 plus 10, 23, 23 plus 5, 28. If students unit is not given in question, then you have to write always 28 unit. Unit must be right. For this, half mark is given in board, HSC board. So our final answer, optimum assignment schedule, 28 unit with all these places. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video, next lecture.